I will give you a comprehensive comparison between the pros and cons of Microsoft Copilot and ChatGPT. To get started, Microsoft Copilot's biggest advantage is its integration with Microsoft Office applications such as Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. It gives context-aware suggestion and is great at automating repetitive tasks. However, its usability is limited when it comes to generating content outside Microsoft Office tasks. In my opinion, its creative responses are quite generic. ChatGPT, on the other hand, is more empowered on generating creative content. It is more adaptable and is capable of doing versatile conversations. As you can see, it is trying to be creative and is trying to give a tailored response to the user. ChatGPT is more flexible when it comes to general tasks, while Microsoft Copilot AI greatly increases productivity when working with Microsoft Office applications.